Hey guys, it's Katie. I want to show you a quick way in which you can get taller. So go ahead and stand over your feet and then bring one of your arms and hands up towards the ceiling. So go ahead and lift your arm and just notice how you lift your arm. Don't watch how I do it, but notice how you lift your own arm. You might lift it separate from your body. You might feel more connected, but just notice how you do it. And then go ahead and do the other side. So go ahead and lift that arm up into the air, going as high as is comfortable. And then go back to the first arm. This time, switch the weight to the opposite foot. So if you're lifting the right arm, you'll switch the weight to the left foot. Come back. Notice if you got shorter or taller. So try it again. And now try the other side in the same way. Go ahead and lift the arm, switch the weight to the opposite foot. And do that once or twice. Now try lifting the arm by putting your weight on the same side foot. So go ahead and lift the right arm and go to the right side if you're going to the right. Try the same thing on the other side. Notice how you breathe. And if you're not doing this already, try it once more looking at the hand. And notice how when your weight is on that same side as the arm you're lifting, you get taller and longer. So try that again. And think about the next time you go to reach for something up high, how you can lengthen your spine and lengthen yourself by shifting your weight onto the same side that you're reaching. Again, if you shift the weight over to the other side, you get shorter. But if you shift the weight onto the same side, you get taller. Thanks for watching. Check me out at brainbodymotion.com.